Hello everyone. Today I am going to represent my slide over the topic mode of vibration in infrared spectroscopy. So the basic concept of infrared spectroscopy is that we irradiate the molecule. We irradiate the molecule with infrared, and the molecule shows certain type of vibration. Okay. So in if we talk about the fundamental vibration, here we have two type of vibration. The first one is stretching type of vibration and the bending type of vibration. Okay. So this stretching type of vibration, the word stretching is quite often we have listened the word, we have familiar with the word stretching. Whenever we start any exercise or jogging, we just use this word stretching. So what happened in this stretching? Suppose I am please imagine myself as a central atom, and my these two hands are my bonds. Okay, these two hands are my bonds. So if I am talking about the symmetrical stretching means like this. Symmetrical stretching means if my two hands are in my two hands will move in same direction at once, like it will go increasing and decreasing. Okay, so this is symmetrical stretching. Both hands are increasing in a synchronization or decreasing in a synchronization. So this is symmetrical stretching. So one more thing, what you have seen, that the bond angle always remains same. If I think that these are my two hands and increasing and decreasing, though the bond angle is always remain same. And in the case of this unsymmetrical, what happens in this unsymmetrical? Suppose again imagine myself as the central atom, and these two hands are the bonds. So what happens in unsymmetrical? One hand will decrease, one bond will decrease, and one will increase, like this. Okay, so this is unsymmetrical stretching. Now here we have bending. Okay, bending type of vibration. So bending type of vibration is there. Bending type of vibration is divided into two parts. Okay, again if you say bending means to bend down. Okay, we will bend down. So bending means two types of bending is there: in plane bending and out plane bending. So first of all, I just want to define the plane. What is plane? Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, and I am standing in a plane. Okay, I am standing in a plane. So if I talk about in plane bending, so in what happen in plane bending? If I am a molecule, then my plane will not change. Like I am in this xy plane, so I will be in xy plane. And here we have two things. First one is scissoring. Scissoring means we all have used a pair of scissors in our life at any point of time. So what happened in the scissor? The two knives, or what I can say, the two scissors always move toward themselves. Like you can say, they move toward themselves, like in this manner. Okay, so this is scissoring. And what about rocking? We all have enjoyed some musical concert. So in this musical concert, what happened? We used to move our hand like that. Okay, so this is rocking. Means my both hand are moving like that. Okay, so this is rocking and scissoring. Sorry, rocking is like that. We you in musical concert we used to move our hand like that. So this is rocking. And what in scissoring we move our hand like that. Okay, so this is scissoring and rocking. Now out plane bending. What happens in out plane bending? We have bending and twisting over here. So now out plane means we are moving in a matlab we are using another axis, z axis. Suppose I am standing in s axis, x axis and z axis, then x and y axis. So I will use z axis over here. Now it is wagging means if I am the central atom and these hands are the bonds, then I will use it like that. Wagging means both hands will come out of x and y axis and will come in forward direction like this. Okay, so this is wagging. And if you talk about twisting, so in twisting case, one hand will go behind and one hand will come in forward direction like this. Okay, so that's all about the stretching and bending. So thank you for listening patiently. Okay.